Tissot Chrono XL is one of the largest watch chronographs in the Tissot collection. The Tissot Chrono XL Classic is a great watch to those looking for an elegant chronograph watch. It is made with Swiss technology at an unbeaten price. Now let's check the watch specifications. It has a 45mm face diameter with a thickness of 11mm. The glass is made of sapphire crystal, which is scratch resistant, and only a diamond can scratch this type of glass. It has a midnight blue dial face with Arabic indices. It has a stainless steel strap folding clasp with push buttons. It is water resistant and can withstand up to a pressure of 10 bars or 100 meters. It has a date display, and it is a chronograph type with add and split functions. It has a 30-minute and 1/10 of a second counter, central 60-second chronograph hand, and EOL battery end-of-life indicator. The Tissot Chrono XL Classic is a perfect gift to your loved ones this holiday season. You can buy it at any Swiss Gear branches or Lucerne branches. You can also buy it online through Lucerne Exclusive Online. Thank you for watching!